I came back off a ride a couple days ago, and this left fork was leaking profusely. And I've kind of wiped it all down a little bit, and I've actually already performed this procedure several times, the one I'm going to show you, and I removed quite a bit of dirt out of the seal. So let me show you how to clean that seal and maybe keep your bike out of the repair shop. So what I've got here is a tube that goes over a fluorescent light bulb in some commercial applications. In case the bulb were to shatter, the glass will stay inside the tube. These are available at Lowe's or Home Depot for a couple of bucks for 8 feet of it. You can also use any kind of plastic, milk jug or whatever. This one works great because it's already round and it will keep that shape around the tube. So what you want is like a hook shape. Like that. The same thing basically right here. Then you can just cut that out like that. And you don't need this much of it, so you can just trim off some of that. So this part gets wasted. That's my finished product. Let's go see how it works. I need to remove this guard. I'm just going to use a screwdriver and kind of hit it with my hand. A couple of different spots. Get that up and out of the way. Now the same thing with this seal. Do whatever you got to do to keep those up there out of the way. Just shove a rag up in there or whatever. Now we're going to install our seal cleaner. When it's in this position, I want to push the point into the seal. So this go around, we're going to go this way. You'll feel it when it goes under the seal. You'll feel it when this point, you want all this part of the cleaning tool to be in the seal. So just push it down until you feel it. You'll have to rotate it a little bit while you're pushing. There we go. It just slid down. You can tell I've got quite a bit of it in there. Try to keep it straight up and down right here. Rotate it around a couple times. And then drag it up while you're still rotating it. Pull it up like that. Odds are pretty good you're going to have some contamination on your tool right there, unless you've done this already like I have. Now we're going to flip it and go the other way with it. Now the hook is this way, so we're going to be rotating the tool the other way as well. Just work at it and get it under the seal. There it went, just slid right in, see? Go all the way around with it. And then start working it up. Pull it up and rotate at the same time. And see, I got a little more dirt out of it. A little contamination right there. Alright. Wipe everything down. And reinstall your rock guard. Once you've cleaned the seal in this direction and turned it over and cleaned it in this direction, you've gotten on the bike, applied the front brake, rocked the bike forward and backward to pump the forks in and out. Come do it again. Clean it this way, flip it over, clean it that way. Do that as many times as you have to until there's no more trash collecting on this tool. Then reinstall your seal, install your rock guard if you have one, make sure everything's wiped down, then go for a ride, see if you actually were successful in fixing it. This will not fix a damaged seal, it'll only clean a dirty one. A dirty seal will leak just like a damaged seal will. Hopefully you'll fix it for free. Thanks for watching.